welcome back to my channel. We are officially in crunch time when it comes to Halloween, and if you're anything like me, you have totally procrastinated on deciding what to be. So today I have 3 costume ideas that are super easy, very quick, and pretty affordable too. So I'll show you how to make them and how to style them. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload new DIY content. Alright, let's make some costumes! To make this costume, you will need a cutting mat, glitter paper and cardstock cutout shapes, a glue gun, headbands, one with cat ears, a pencil, X-Acto knife, assorted gems, and wire. On the back side of the glitter paper, trace out 2 of each of the cutout shape pieces. When tracing the second version of each of these, make sure you flip your shape over so you are tracing the mirror image of it. Then cut out each of the shapes you've traced. Remember to keep the matching pairs together as you cut out each of the sets. Next, cut the wire into 12-inch long strips, 1 for each set of the cutout shapes. Then bend the wire in half and twist, leaving a loop on one end and 2 inches of untwisted wire at the other end. Do this with varying lengths of the twisted sections. Taking each set of the cutout shapes and your wire, sandwich the wire between the 2 pieces with glue. Next, twist and secure your wire pieces along the top of the headband. A tip here is to twist the top of the piece a little bit after you've attached it to make sure it's tightly secured. To finish it off, add a couple gems along some of the lengths of wire. To style this look, I paired it with a sparkly top, leather jacket, and a choker. For the makeup, I drew on a cat nose and whiskers and added a little gold glitter to get a more galaxy look. Meow! For this costume, you will need a cutting mat, glue gun, ice cream cone template, which is linked to download in the description box below, a thin foam sheet, paper straws, a rainbow of paint colors, scissors, a pencil, and a headband. Start by painting 1 straw in each of the paint colors. These are going to be the ice cream sprinkles, so paint them in whatever colors you want your sprinkles to be. While those dry, draw out a sort of wavy blob-like shape on the foam sheet and cut it out. Then cut out the ice cream cone template piece. Now it's time to assemble. First, take the cone piece and form it into a 3D cone shape, using glue to secure it closed. Next, take your foam piece and glue it along the top of the headband. Then take the cone piece and attach it to the foam layer. When you do this, angle the cone a little bit off-center to the top of the headband. Hold it in place while the glue sets. I also added another bead of glue along the entire circumference of the cone for a little added security. And now onto the sprinkles. Glue on each of the sprinkle pieces, which have been cut into 1/2-inch pieces, all along the entire top of the phone piece. To finish it off, I added little white pom-poms along the edge of the cone. I did this because I wanted to cover up some of the exposed glue that was showing. And there you have it, a dripping, melting ice cream cone headband. To style this, I paired it with a white shirt with a couple of the leftover sprinkles glued along the neckline. For the makeup, I used white eyeliner and face paint to extend the drip across part of my face. For the last costume, you will need white felt, a paper straw, green paint and a paintbrush, a headband, 1/2 of a large clear ornament, scissors, and a glue gun. To start, cut your straw in half and paint it with a color that matches the Starbucks green color. While that dries, take your felt piece and roll it into a twist that will fit in the center of the clear dome. Using hot glue, secure the felt as you twist it into shape. Trim off any excess felt once your twist reaches the size that fits into the dome. I also added an additional folded up piece of felt to help fill in the area below the twist because there was some space and I needed something to help glue onto my headband. To secure the felt in place, I added a circle of hot glue along the edge of the dome. Then take your dome and glue it onto your headband, and do this a little bit off center. Then to finish it off, glue the straw onto the top of the clear dome. And there you have it, the lid to your Starbucks tie-dye Frappuccino. And now we need to add the tie-dye part of the Frappuccino. I paired the lid headband with a rainbow wig and a tie-dye shirt. For the makeup, I used a rainbow eyeshadow palette and painted rainbow colors all over my face. Alright, I hope one of those ideas gave you some inspiration, at least a place to start for deciding what you want to be for Halloween. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload new DIY content. Thanks!